How to purchase a subscription. It remains the case that a subscription is required to view OED entry content. Once you attempt to access the entry content from the fact sheet view, you will be presented with a message prompting you to purchase a subscription. If you are a member of a university or library, you may well have access to OED already, so it is worth checking this with your librarian before purchasing your own subscription. Let's take a look at the subscription options. From this page, you can select your country of residence and be supplied with subscription options and price in either US dollars or pounds sterling. In the UK, you can purchase a year long subscription or a 3-month subscription. Choose your preferred option and then click Buy. This takes you to OUP's shopping basket system, where you can choose to auto renew your subscription or not. Once you click Log in and Check Out, you will be prompted to sign into an existing account or to create a new account. If you have ever purchased access to an OUP product such as OED before, you should use the account you created to make that purchase. Otherwise, you can click on Register to create a new account. Once you are logged in, you can complete the steps and make your purchase. Do note that if you created an account before reaching this system, you will be prompted to add your full name, phone number, and address before proceeding to payment. Now that you have a subscription, and once you have logged in, you can access all OED content and you are allowed to export your search results.